It's festival season in Tangible Parish, and TRACK, Tangible Reshaping Attitudes for Community Change, invites you to celebrate safely. Throughout the season, we've had a number of mocktail recipes, non-alcoholic, that are wonderful to drink. And so with that, we have sixfortheseason.com where you can find all of our mocktail recipes. And today we're talking with the Tangible Parish Fair, the oldest fair in the state of Louisiana. With me is Wendy Carrier, the president of the fair. And Wendy, what a great time the Tangible Parish Fair is every year.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We're going on 138 years this year. We are the oldest in the state. We want to thank Track for allowing us to be able to do this and make the wonderful mocktails, and we hope y'all enjoy it.
With the fair, it really is a big event. It's almost a whole week, and it really has a lot of components that bring school children to the fair.
Oh, absolutely. We always start off on Wednesday, which is our biggest day for the schools in the parish, other than our parades. We do our the parish pep rally. Every school participates in the cheerleading, shake, rattle, and roll competition and some dance teams.
And with that, also, there's the agricultural
Yes.
component of the fair as
There
well.
is. We have our 4-H. There's a building next to ours that has a lot of the 4-H displays as well as livestock shows. And then we have our school displays inside of our main building.
With the fair, it really gives these students in the agriculture area, which Tangipahoa Parish is known for, an opportunity to showcase what they've done throughout the year.
Oh, yeah. When I tell you we had probably about 1,000 entries last year of different things that kids had made to show off, it was absolutely amazing. And I think it's growing each year.
And one of the big events that you've reinstituted is the rodeo. And everybody loves a great rodeo, and you put on a first-class event.
Absolutely. What is a fair without a rodeo? That's what I keep telling everybody. Come on out. We have a new PRCA rodeo. We are now members. We went to Vegas this year to do some conventions and workshops and learn more about what we're wanting to bring to our parish. This will be the second year, and we'd like to make it twice as big as it was last year.
And the fair is the first weekend in October, but you and your committee work all year
Oh,
getting
yeah, we're
ready.
nonstop. We're nonstop. We're doing fundraisers because we have a mission and we try to stick to that mission by giving back to our community. So throughout the year, we have several fundraisers to help keep that going, plus fund what we want to have at the fair each year. And we have some surprises this year. We're bringing a few more things back this year as well.
So come out to get the surprise.
Absolutely. If you will, and if you want to know, go back and look at the history on our website, and I'll kind of tell you about what the fair had originally, and some of that's coming back.
Well, that sounds like a great time
It is.
to mark the calendar's first week in October. And with us now is also our queen this year, Mackenzie Menino. And what a great organization to represent as queen.
Absolutely. I'm truly honored to get to travel all across the state representing Tangipahoa Parish as a whole.
And with that fair, what is one of the big events that you really enjoy as queen?
Something that Miss Wendy had already mentioned is Shake, Rattle, and Roll, our parish pep rally. That is one of my favorite events that we do. It kickstarts the fair, but also it's something that I feel close to home to. I got to compete in Shake, Rattle, and Roll growing up, so that is something that I cherish about our fair and something I look forward to every year.
And as what she had said about the parade, that has really grown because there's so much school participation in the parish fair.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
And now coming up, what is one memorable event or one occasion that you can remember that will highlight your year as Tangipahoa Parish Fair Queen?
Something that we just did recently was travel to the Laugh convention that happened in Baton Rouge at the Crown Plaza. This was something that I truly enjoyed. It was a whole weekend getting to spend time with my board, getting to meet other fairs and festivals all across the state, just truly learning more about what we can do and provide to our parish to make our festival and fair better.
Well, that sounds great. And now, speaking of great, we have a wonderful mocktail specially created by the Tangipahoa Parish Fair. Wendy created it, and it is the Cowboy Koolaid. And it is some ingredients, but do not be intimidated by it because it's fun and experiment with it. So, Mackenzie, are you ready? Let's go ahead and start. Okay.
Start off. Okay, so we're going to start with coconut cream, and we're going to just put that at the bottom of our glass. Oops,
Now,
I'm already
we're
making a mess.
using a mason jar, but you can use any type of glass.
Absolutely. Okay. I say Miss Wendy could tell me when to stop. About good enough.
Perfect.
I'm already making a
Perfect,
mess.
perfect.
Look at
Look
that.
You're doing great. You gonna put your
Yep. Next, we are going to use our pina colada mix, non-alcoholic, of course.
And all of these ingredients can be found at any grocery store, easy to get. And so it's really a simple recipe. And we need about how much of that is?
Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
2 ounces. You know, it depends on the size glass and how much you want to fix in it.
I think you want to move this off to the side. Now we're going to put some ice in it, make it a cold drink.
You want plenty of ice. That way it layers good. Oops, I'm making a mess too. There you go.
So next we'll put in our 7-Up cherry.
There you go.
We're just starting to make that color.
I'm gonna make it darker red.
Yeah, we're going to make it even darker with some grenadine on top. Use this spoon.
Mm-hmm.
Just
Turn it over.
press it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's good.
Set that off to the side, and then
Let's hydrate.
yeah, we gotta get some blue, cool blue Gatorade. Set this over here.
And you'll fill the rest of it up with some. That's good. And then top it with a cherry.
Yep. Do you want to put the cherry on?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I mean,
Just plop it in there.
Well, you thought it was gonna come out. There you go.
there you go. There we go. Oh, the cherry on top, literally.
It
With
looks
this,
good.
the layered look for the Cowboy Kool-Aid from the Tangible Parish Fair, a great mocktail for this and other great mocktails, visit 6fortheseason.com.